Alright everybody, it is Josh Barnett. Just got the Leatherman free, and this is the T2, as you can see right there, the T2. And I'm just going to do an unboxing and compare it to my Sidekick that I use all the time. But I use this all the time, but I mainly just use the knife and the screwdrivers. So the free T2, that's why I ordered this as soon as I saw it, because if this works out, it won't be as heavy, hopefully. So comparing the box and the Leatherman Sidekick, the free 2, even in the box, is lighter than the Leatherman Sidekick. But let's see what all we have going on here, and let's get them compared. So let's go ahead and open up the box. I hope I'm opening. Oh, I'm not. There's. Okay. So there is a better way to open the box, and I'm always doing this incorrectly. So this slides out right here. So let's get this open. There was only tape on the top. That's interesting. Let's get this open, and let's see what we have in here. So I'm gonna get rid of the box. So the box talks about durable, strong, magnetic architecture, and easy to use. So there's the box. If you want to pause it and read each part of it, you can pause the video and read each part of it if you want to. And that's the box cover. Okay. So this is how to use your Leatherman. So it talks about push down to get the tools out. Shows you number 1, number 2, and then it shows you how to lock and unlocking the knife blade. Push that lever to make that happen. So when it's open, the lever's closed. So push that to close it. So okay, that makes sense. It talks about Leatherman, and you can pause that and read that if you want. Let's get that right there. Okay. Now let's look at the tool. So there it is. There's the Leatherman free T2 right there in the box. Oh wow. Wow, this is super light. Super light. Oh my gosh. Let's make sure there's nothing else in the box. No, really good presentation. Really good presentation right there. They even have words on the inside of the box. So designed and manufactured in Portland, Oregon. So this is an American product. America, mother effer. America, mother effer. So American product. Super happy about that. Let's put all this back together nice and neat, just because I'm one of those people that do that. And there's the front of the box, in case you didn't get to see it earlier. There's the front of the box, and like I just said, this knife is super light. Oh wow, total difference. Now of course, the Leatherman Sidekick, it has 1, 2 pair of pliers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tools, and then of course they'll tell you all sorts of other tools. But yeah, here's the free, and it has 4 tools basically. Man, it did not come with the clip though. I was really hoping that it came with the clip. Let's double check the box, make sure I didn't miss it anywhere. But I'll have to look into ordering that clip, because it's nowhere in this box. And if it doesn't have a clip, I'm not going to be able to use it as much, because the way I secure it in my cargo pants pocket, I'm using that clip all the time. So I'll have to research how to get that clip picked up and get that attached, because I'm pretty sure you could put a clip right in those 2 holes, but there isn't one. So I'll definitely have to research that. But here's opening the blade. Super easy blade opening, and then it is locked. So we will push it this way and then close the blade right down. So that's not too bad. So comparing the T2 free T2 blade to your Sidekick blade, there you go, right there, if you're a Sidekick user. So the blade's a little shorter, but I don't think that's going to matter for my use at all. The T2's blade is a little thicker, looks like. I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but it does look a little thicker. And then here's a width comparison. So they're the same width still. There's nothing difference in that width at all, but the weight is way different. And then the thickness, I guess the breadth, you'd say the breadth of it is way thinner. So I always use the screwdriver, the flathead, and the Phillips. So let's take a look at those right now. So so let's take a look at the Phillips and compare it to the Sidekick's Phillips. Nope, not on that side. So Sidekick Phillips compared to the free T2 Phillips. Let's get those similar. So yeah, they look about the same. Yeah, those are pretty same. This one, the Sidekick's a little wider. The T2 is a little thinner, but I don't think that's going to affect how I use them at all. I don't think that will affect how I use them at all. So let's take a look at the Phillips. Let's take a look at the Phillips real quick. Let's compare those. Okay, so the Phillips, they look very, very similar. They might be the exact same screwdriver. The T2 has a bottle opener on the Phillips, and then I don't know if this would be considered a bottle opener on the Sidekick. I think that's just the lever to get it out. So, but the T2 does have a bottle opener on the Phillips. But yeah, these are the exact same Phillips. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this short comparison of the two. If you're thinking about switching up the Sidekick for the T2, the only thing I would say in the way that I use the two is find out about that belt clip. That's going to be really important for me on how I use it, or if I just return the product. So, alright guys, hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, comparing the Leatherman Sidekick to the Leatherman free T2, guys. Alright, have a great day. Enjoy the videos. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.